Miraculous gardening. How to grow fiddle-leaf figs. Miracle tip number 1. Pick a spot. Choose a place that gets lots of indirect sunlight and isn't drafty. For even growth, give each pot a half turn once a week. Fiddle-leaf figs don't like to be moved once they settle in, so pick their spot wisely. Miracle tip number 2. Prep and plant. Pick a pot that's 1/3 wider than the plant's root ball. Make sure it has drainage holes. Fill the bottom 1/3 of the pot with Miracle-Gro indoor potting mix. Place the plant so the top of the root ball is an inch below the rim of the pot. Fill in around the root ball with more potting mix. Water your new plant and let it drain, then move it to its new home. Miracle tip number 3. Water with care. Fiddle-leaf figs hate to be overwatered, so only water when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil are dry. Mist the leaves once a week with room temp tap water to bump up the humidity. Miracle tip number 4. Serve up regular meals. A month after planting, start giving your green baby regular servings of Miracle-Gro indoor plant food. Follow the directions. Miracle tip number 5. Prune if desired. For a tree-like look, remove the lower leaves. To control size, prune to the desired height, cutting back to just above a sprouting leaf. Miracle tip number 6. Prevent problems. Brown spots on the leaves could be a sign of cold damage, so make sure the plant isn't under an AC vent or near a drafty door. Yellowing leaves usually mean you're overwatering. A little less moisture, please. Miracle tip number 7. Repot when the plant tells you to. If you start to see roots growing out of drainage holes, it's time to repot. Just follow the planting instructions from earlier in the video, and you'll be all set. Learn more about miraculous gardening at miraclegro.com.